Hi friends, the topic is even and odd functions. So how to define even and odd functions with graphical representation. So for suppose we are going to take even function. A function f of x is said to be even function, then it must be satisfying the condition f of minus x is equal to f of x. So for suppose we can take some examples x square. So here x is replacing by minus x. So again it will come x square only. X minus x whole square is equal to x square. So similarly x power 4, x power 6, x power 4 plus x square plus 1 and e power x plus e power minus x and cos x, secant x are all even functions. For suppose we will take cos x. F of x is equal to cos x, f of minus x is equal to cos of minus x. Cos of minus theta is always cos theta. Similarly, secant theta is also. So that's why we are taking cos x and secant x are all even functions. So this is the graphical representation of the even function. So graphically, an even function is symmetrical about the y-axis. So for example, see here, this is y-axis. So this is the figure of the function. Symmetrical means it will uh, divide equal parts. So y-axis is symmetrical about the, so this curve is symmetrical about the y-axis. Similarly this one also. So this part of left hand side and right hand side is also same equal. That's why we call it as symmetrical about the y-axis. So this is the even function regarding. And coming to odd function, a function f of x is said to be odd function or skew symmetric if it must be satisfying the condition f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. Here f of x is equal to f of minus x is equal to f of x, here minus. So the examples are x. For suppose we want to take f of x is equal to x, we should replace x by minus x, it will come minus f of x. Likewise here x cube, x power 5, x power 7, x power 5 plus 2x cube plus 3x, sin x, cosecant x, tan x are all odd functions. The graphical representation of the odd function is symmetrical about the origin. See the figure. So this is the symmetrical about the origin. This is also symmetrical about the origin. So these are the even and odd function definitions. According to this definition, we are going to solve some problems on Fourier series in the interval 0 comma pi. Sorry, minus pi comma pi. This is our question actually. Find the Fourier series for the function. I have given two functions, f of x is equal to x and f of x is equal to mod x in the interval minus pi comma pi. So for this interval we are going to discuss even and odd functions. That's why I have given definitions. So here, before we are going to solve this problem, let us check the given function is even or odd. For suppose even and odd means I have given some formulas about that one. So in this interval minus a to a f of x dx, for suppose f of x is an odd function, the integrated value should be equal to 0. And for suppose f of x is an even function, it must be written as 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. In addition to that, Fourier series for even and odd functions. For suppose how to write Fourier series for the even function and odd function. F of x is defined in the interval minus pi comma pi. Then only we can verify either it may be odd or even. So if f of x is an even function, then Fourier series for the function f of x is given by. So this is the formula. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n x, where a naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. A n is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into cos n x dx, and bn should be 0. Similarly, f of x is an odd function, then Fourier series for the function f of x is given by f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn into sin nx, where bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. Now I am going to take problem. So the problem number 1. 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 So what is the problem number 1? Given f of x is equal to x. So let us verify in the interval minus pi comma pi. First we are going to verify the given function is either odd or even. So then we have to follow these formulas. So what is the definition of f of minus x is equal to minus x? So this is minus f of x. The given function is odd function. So we should follow this formula. Then the given function is odd function. Therefore the Fourier series for the odd function f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So which is equal to, which is called equation number 1. Here f of x is x. So therefore where bn is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. So which is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x is replaced by x sin nx dx. Again we can apply the Bernoulli rule. So which is equal to 2 by pi into x into sin nx is minus cos nx by n. This is the integration of sin nx, and differentiation of x is 1, and integration of this part is minus sin nx by n square. So this is the simplified form. So let us see, already I have given sin n pi 0 for all n is equal to 0, 1, 2, and cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole to the power of n. So then limit substitution 2 by pi into, so I can neglect this term because both the limits it will be 0. Sin n pi 0, sin 0 is also 0. I can take only this part. Cos nx, what is the cos nx? X value is replaced by pi. Pi into minus cos n pi by n. So second limit will be 0 because x is multiplying by this one. So this is equal to 2 by pi into pi by n into minus cos n pi, minus 1 into minus 1 whole to the power of n. Then pi gets cancelled. So 2 by n into minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. So then we can go through the substitution. Therefore f of x is equal to, that means x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn 2 by n minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1 sin nx. So this is the Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to x in the interval minus pi comma pi. Or simplify this one, n is equal to 1, 2 into 1 by 1 sin x for suppose. Next minus 1 by 2 into sin 2x plus 1 by 3 into sin 3x minus and so on. This is the simplified one. Now I am going to take another problem, that is f of x is equal to mod x. Let us verify the given function is even or odd. Since f of minus x is equal to mod of minus x, which is equal to mod x is equal to f of x. So the given function is even function. Therefore f of x is even function. So what is the formula for even function Fourier series? Therefore f of x is equal to mod x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx, which is called equation number 1. So in this equation, what are the unknown values? A naught, an. So what is the formula of a naught? So therefore a naught is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. So which is equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi mod x dx. So what is the value of mod x? Can we define mod x formula? Since minus x if 0 less than, sorry, minus pi less than mod x definition. X definition, if x is minus pi to less x less than 0 and 0 less than x less than pi, or mod x is greater than 0, x mod x is less than 0, minus x. So now the interval is defined this one, so we should take f of x as x. So 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi x dx. So 2 by pi into integration of x is x square by 2, 0 to pi. So limit substitution, 2 by pi into pi square by 2 minus 0. So the simplified answer is 2 by pi into pi square by 2. So that means pi. Therefore a naught is equal to pi. And coming to a, b, an. An is equal to 2 by pi. Next an is equal to 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x into cos nx dx. So where f of x is 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi, f of x is mod x cos nx dx. So in this interval mod x is x, 2 by pi into integral 0 to pi x cos nx dx. Apply the Bernoulli's rule, so which is equal to 2 by pi into x into cos nx integration sin nx by n minus differentiation of x is 1. This integration is minus cos nx by n square. Again will come n, already n is there, 0 to pi. Here I am neglecting sine terms because sin n pi 0, sin 0 0. So I can neglect this one, only I am taking this one. Minus into minus plus. Cos n pi by n square, first limit. Second limit, cos 0 by n square. So 2 by pi into n square is common, 1 by n square is common, minus 1 whole to the power of n minus 1. So which is equal to, which is valid only for n is odd. So therefore an is equal to 0 if n is even. So minus 4 by pi n square if n is odd. Why? Because for suppose n is equal to, you can take minus 1, n is equal to 1 is odd number, minus 1 it will become a minus 2, already 2 is there, 2 into minus 2 minus 1. In every term like that, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 7, like that. So therefore substitute a naught, an values in equation number 1. Mod x is equal to, a naught is pi by 2, so this is minus 4 by pi n square, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, so n square I am writing here, 1 by n square cos nx. So you can simplify this one, or otherwise this is the final answer, pi by 2 minus 4 by pi. So n is equal to 3, 5, only odd it is valid. So this is 1 by 1 cos x and plus 1 by 3 square cos 3x plus 1 by 5 square cos 5x plus and so on. This is the final. Thank you.